International news. NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore returned to Earth today on SpaceX Dragon Crew 9 spacecraft after spending 286 days in space. The spacecraft carrying Sunita Williams, Butch Wilmore, Nick Heck, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexandra Gorbuno splashed down safely at coast of Florida. Sunita and Barry went to space on board the Boeing Starliner Calypso on June 5, 2024, and was supposed to spend 8 days on the International Space Station ISS. However, their mission was prolonged due to technical issues, including thruster malfunctions, which rendered the Starliner unsafe for return. After their return today, the astronauts will undergo a 45-day rehabilitation program to maintain their health and get used to the Earth's gravity. Meanwhile, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO called NASA astronaut Sunita Williams' safe return a remarkable achievement. While welcoming the astronauts back to Earth, ISRO also asserted that the safe return after an extended mission aboard ISS is a testament to NASA, SpaceX, and USA's commitment to space exploration.